Today's energy isn't random. The pile you choose holds a message your soul has been waiting for. Welcome, Radiant Soul, to your Pick a Card reading for June 7th, 2025. Before your 5 piles, each one holding 3 tarot cards, upright or reversed. These messages are meant to guide you through today. Take a deep breath, quiet your mind, and choose the pile that feels meant for you. Trust your intuition, it already knows the answer. Pile 1, cards, the Fool, 8 of Cups, reversed. Knight of Wands, message. Something fresh is trying to enter your life, but it needs space to arrive. Today calls you to step into the unknown, but there's resistance. Part of you is still tied to something that no longer serves your growth. Maybe it's a pattern, a person, or a fear that's kept you rooted in place. Yet inside, your fire is rising. The Knight of Wands wants movement, passion, experience. The Fool reminds you that you don't need all the answers before you begin. What to do? Let go of emotional baggage and follow the call of adventure. Say yes to a bold opportunity. Take action, even if it's messy, and trust that the road will appear beneath your feet. Pile 2, cards, 4 of Swords, reversed. The Moon, reversed. 10 of Pentacles. Message: your legacy is being built, one grounded decision at a time. Don't let old illusions pull you off course. You've been in recovery mode, but now it's time to return to your vision. Confusion is clearing, especially around home, family, or long-term stability. Something that once felt uncertain is slowly becoming clear. You may feel a quiet nudge today, a whisper from your intuition that reminds you of what truly matters. What to do? Stay rooted in reality, but listen to your inner voice. Reconnect with the people or goals that make you feel safe, loved, and aligned. Make choices today that honor your future. Pile 3, cards, Page of Cups, the Tower, reversed. Queen of Wands, message: what fell apart needed to, so that your real self could rise from the ashes. You've gone through emotional upheaval recently, and though it shook your foundations, it also cracked open your creativity, your passion, and your true power. The Page of Cups brings emotional softness and curiosity. The Queen of Wands shows you're reclaiming your strength, your magnetism, and your voice. What to do? Don't fear your fire today. Let yourself be seen. Create, speak, move forward with boldness. Embrace your quirks. You're not meant to be small. Pile 4, cards, Justice, 5 of Pentacles, reversed. 6 of Cups, message: today is about releasing the victim narrative and stepping into emotional maturity. You're healing the child within. You may feel old emotions surfacing today, especially ones linked to loss, rejection, or being left out. But justice is here to restore balance. What felt unfair before is beginning to shift. The 6 of Cups suggests nostalgia, possibly an old connection resurfacing, or memories influencing your current decisions. What to do? Write a letter to your younger self. Let go of guilt or shame. You are worthy of fairness, love, and belonging. Today, remember how far you've come. Pile 5, cards, Death, reversed. 7 of Wands, Ace of Swords, message: transformation is not destruction, it's liberation. When you stop fighting the truth, you become unstoppable. You've been clinging to something that needs to transform. But deep down, you already know what must change. The Ace of Swords cuts through illusion. The Seven of Wands reminds you to stand firm, even if it feels like others don't understand your choices. This is a day to face your truth and defend it with courage. What to do? Be honest with yourself. Speak your truth, even if your voice shakes. The clarity you gain today will become your foundation tomorrow. No matter which pile called to you today holds power. The power to make a choice, to shift your mindset, and to walk with purpose. You are not lost. You are becoming. If this reading resonated, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss your daily tarot guidance. You're guided, you're protected, and the universe is listening.